In this video, I want to talk about reveal shots because I feel like those are great shots when you're trying to learn filmmaking. That's what this video is going to be about. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and then comment any other things you want to learn about independent filmmaking and different stuff. I will attach videos and everything. The refrigerator reveal is always super nice to me because the light is already in here and you don't have to adjust the light. A reveal shot is something that's interesting and it's more fun to do. The cabinet reveal is also a good shot to do. So the whole duration of the time that I'm going to be doing this 30 days of content, posting 2 to 4 times a day, I think the first week I'm going to stick to 2 times a day because that's a good momentum for me to start, and then I kick it up later on. But I want to share some lessons that I learned for people who may not have thought about it or decided to do it. Each video, I think we're going to talk about different type of angles or different type of things you can do to enhance your videos in some type of way. This particular video is going to talk about reveal shots. I have fallen in love with putting my camera places and opening up to different type of reveals. You can do this with your phone. You can do this with your camera. You can do this with any type of camera. As long as it can fit in that place. And you can do different angles. Angles is what, to me, angles is a huge part of filmmaking or creating it all to make super interesting content. Like, for example, I just have my camera off to the side, but I'm talking into the mirror because I just wanted to create a different type of dynamic. Because I'm still going to be sitting down doing videos, but I don't want to make it interesting or make it fun some type of way. I want to show y'all my personality as much as I can during this 30 days because that's what it's about, building community and, you know, teaching y'all what I can. That's my whole platform. I like the fact that I live in a time, even though the times a lot of stuff going on, I like the fact that I live in a time where we can literally make anything happen. Ain't nobody can hold us back. We have the power to do it. We just have to do it. And if I could just motivate people to do that, that would be super duper great. It's about to be cold and it's about to storm. Storm as in snow. We're supposed to hit some snow tomorrow. So y'all probably will not see me at the gym. So I might do some living room exercises or whatever. But a good chunk of the videos will be different filmmaking things since that is my actual platform. So I hope y'all like this video. I also want y'all to engage with ideas in the comments. Tell me what type of video that you want to see. I don't really like this ponytail. I like keeping my hair in a bun. You know? I did my own braid, y'all. But let me put this in there because I am not focused right now. Anyway, I saw this really cool thing that I saw on I think it was Instagram, and I am going to do that. I'm gonna do that shot for y'all. So when I'm doing these different things that I want to try, yes, I'm a little crazy, but I'm still gonna show y'all how to do it because I feel like it's cool, it's fun. So I know I keep changing up what I'm gonna do because I decided to do this 30 days of content, you know, and sometimes I'm all over the place, but the more I thought about it, I noticed that I want to stick to what my content is actually going to be about. And if I decide to do a different type of content, probably start a different YouTube or whatever. But I want my stuff to be cinematic. I want my content to be, well, my content is about filmmaking. If you look at, I'm going to attach my videos on these videos, but a lot of my content is about how to set up your own like projects. So I have ebooks and stuff on my website, but I do a lot of how do you get a team? How do you find spots? Like, what do you use? What resources? How do you do auditions? I have videos like that. The funding part, that's the one that I'm currently working on independently, because when you are just starting out, you don't know where to start, and it is good to just get your camera out and start. That gets you more comfortable doing it. You see how I'm talking to the camera now? I was not always comfortable talking to the camera. It felt awkward because I'm like in the house by myself, pulling out the camera, having a whole conversation. But sometimes you have to talk to the realest one you know. And hopefully yourself is the realest one you know, because no one knows you better than you. That's the point I'm making. But I will be giving tips, and I will be showing like different angles that I enjoy, and hopefully y'all enjoy it. So yeah, and then I might have some cinematic vlogs, because even though it is going to be cold, I'm still going to have to go outside, unfortunately. Yeah. If you want to be a content creator, you have to be comfortable with looking crazy sometimes. Since I'm in the house by myself, I don't mind looking crazy. But I am going to insert the video that I am going to be referring to. This was an awkward transition, so yeah. Bear with me, y'all.
Answer work email. Then stop by Kroger to grab Gatorade's a new hydration boost. Then I'm off.
When I do this skit, and then I'll show y'all the final result at the end. One of the first things I'm going to do is go into the Notes app, and I'm going to open up a new note and make a little list. After I make the list, I'm going to take a screenshot. Alright. She was on her bed, so I'm just going to reenact the bed scene, but it could be any place. It could be in the living room, on a couch, whatever. So I am going to do the motion of I gotta do this twice because I'm talking to y'all while I'm doing it, and then I gotta do it regular where I'm not talking to y'all. I gotta be focused. Okay, so I'm going to do the motion of swiping up, so it's in the air. Okay, so first take. Alright, I gotta open up CapCut. Y'all, I had to go to the version of the app because I couldn't figure out how to do the desktop version. So, I am going to input my video and then go to the photos and input the photo for that. Okay. I'm going to cut that part and just go to when I'm sitting on the bed. Okay. Now, I put this picture here, but I need to take that out and then remove that because that picture is going to be an overlay. So I'm going to wait to right there. Once I'm swiping up, I need that overlay there. Okay. And I'm going to move that over right there. So this is still highlighted. I have to do splice and then filter and then adjust that so it could be lighter. I guess I would do overlay because as y'all can see, that's what looked like it worked better on here. So, that's not the end of it though. We have to do keyframes. So, we're going to have to make this, hold on, click that keyframe. Alright, gotta make it like tiny. And then move it a little bit. That's going to create a new keyframe. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then move it a little more. It creates another key. Every time you move it, it creates another keyframe. You're going to have it where we need it to be, right there. And that's the whole thing. It was way easy to do on the phone, but I'm going to play it. It's not smooth. You got to make smaller keyframes. But yeah, that's just, I'm going to add some sound to it, and I'm going to fix it up for y'all.